First, I want to say big thanks to Nox666, hope I pronounced your name correctly, for suggestions on where all this rust comes from. Yeah, that helped. That helped me clarify a lot of things. Big thanks to you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So, hello back everyone. Today we're gonna remove the accessories inside of the car. We have heating unit left, the secondary heating unit for the back seats. I want to clear off all that, also take a look at the gearbox stuff. And I guess we're gonna undo this body. Also gonna look under the car, so stay tuned. First, let's take off this tube cover that's covering the rear side of the coolant tubes to the heating unit. It's held in by cross-headed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Let's take them out. So for the rear heating unit, I see that it's held in by 2 electric connections, and then I'm not sure if this holds it down, but yeah, it holds down. And just 3 screws, one here, one here, and on the opposite side the same one. And also the 2 coolant tubes. The front is off, so now for the back one, you're gonna use the 10mm screwdriver now, but I'm gonna take it off with all the places it's bolt onto, just so I have the bulk stuff there. Second side, same thing. So both of the screws are out, and now we're only left with the tubings. So let's get them off and let's, I guess, drench the interior of the car in coolant that's left inside the tube. Yeah. Nevertheless, it's off. Yeah, just need to wiggle out the handbrake. Never mind, I can't wiggle out the handbrake. I need to disconnect it. Okay. So then there is one electric thing there, the indicator itself, I guess, and then the metal cord itself. Connected the wiring and remove the metal cord itself. Currently I'm gonna take away parts of this excess wiring that goes to the other side because it's getting in my way and it's getting annoying. Now we have more room. Okay, these are held in by 12mm heads. Let's remove them. So I'm about to finish taking off the handbrake. E-brake, handbrake, I don't know. So now we have more room and we should be able to move this around. Yay. And it's up. Nice. Okay, let's try to, I guess, remove the gearbox stuff. I'll start by removing this cover thingy that's held in by 10mm screws. Then I move to the second cover. It's also 10mm. So in the end it was five screws, and now we can get the cover off. Again, put it away. And the cover is off. Oh, okay. There's another cover thingy. Okay, now we have this. I think I don't need to remove it, but I will remove it anyway. Just see what's under there. I'm interested. So again, it's 10mm for a crosshead, but this time it's only 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knows, maybe it should be more, but no, it held 3 of the previous screws held in the lower part also. I'm considering about learning how to weld, because seeing as much welding stuff as I need to do on this car, on this project, I think it's gonna cost me a lot of money to get it done somewhere, but we'll see. Yay. And now we have the gearbox. I see the gearbox. Yay. Okay, cool. Screw is out. Now let's see what we have. Yay. Now I can get to the 2 tubes. I guess from that side. After closer inspection, I realized I don't need to remove there anything. I need to just remove these 2 places, and then that's it. It just goes right out. So I disconnected those 2 tubes. Now it should just come out. Yep, that's exactly what happened. Okay, this is what it looks like from the opposite side, from the back side. There we have a lot of room left. So I'll just quickly remove the inner ones, also the tubes. They're connected right here under the hood, and then I can remove this, what's left there. And I will be finished removing all the heating unit from the inside. Cool, let's do that. Connected the place that holds it in place. Disconnected one of the tubes, one more left, and then only the inside. So they were held in with one more screw. Right here there's a metal thing that holds it in place. See the little screw there? Yeah, that's the one I need to remove to get them out. So it's out. The tubing is out, and I made a mess in the car. Before I go under the car, I think I will do a little bit of wire management again and try to remove steering rack, because I need it for the key, and because the other one is broken, like the part where it fixates anti-theft or whatever, blocks the steering wheel. That part is broken there, so I need to remove this part of the steering, and then I can pull it out. This is what it looks like from the other body. So yeah, I need to disconnect that part which is right there, the tip of it, and all the insides, and then I can just pull it out. Get wires out of the way. And I'm gonna take a wild guess that the steering rack is held in by these two 12mm screws, 4 12mm screws back there, and then only this part. Not sure what millimeter heads are those, but it's 14mm heads down there. Let's just quickly double check. Yep, 14mm heads down there. I'll remove those 6 screws and one screw there, and well, maybe 2 screws there, not sure. First I'm gonna remove one and then that part and see if it gives. Got the steering rack out. That's so cool. I've never taken one of these out before. I'm really happy for that. Yay! Where to put it? I don't have any place to put it. But I got a bit stuck with it. I undo the 6 screws I showed you previously. I'll just put it there for now. I undo the 6 screws, 2 here and 4 here, and it didn't give. Then I undo the 40mm screw that was right here that I'm gonna screw back. One second. Just so I don't lose it. So yeah, so I screwed it in there and it undo that, and it didn't give still. So I just applied some WD-40 and just started hammering at it that way, and so it gave away. Steering rack down. So happy. So basically now that's it for inside. I still will need to take off the clutch, but that's gonna follow a bit later when I get some help over here. But yeah, still need to take off the clutch. But now let's just take a look at the 10 screws that's holding the body in place and see if we manage to take them off. For the last part of this video, we're gonna look at body, how it's held in place. So it's held in place by 10 17mm heads, screws, located 2 in front, here and here, 2 by the driver's seat, and here. Yes, same on the other side. This one. 2 right in the middle of the car. Here it is. Same on that side. Then this one, it has a plastic cap. I don't know, the other bodies had the same. Not sure what that all about, but under there, that's the head of the screw, I guess, to hold it in place, because they don't have anything to screw it onto. Same here, here and there, and 2 in the rear. Right here. Strange one inside. So 10 17mm screws. Also there in the middle, somewhere around here, is the small metal thing that's held in by 15mm heads. I guess it's for you roll over, so there's extra security for the car, and just not sure how that will work. But anyway, we're gonna look at that if we get all these in this episode off. Bit of a change. these screws are 19 millimeters, so the 17 was only front, so I guess that was changed due to the fact that I believe front end was in an accident or something. But yeah, I won't film it, but yeah, remove the first two. That one was rusted in, but thankfully we got it out. Now just those 8 left. Let's see how that goes. So I already got rid of five screws. So halfway there. The rest I will finish off the video because I need to go do stuff and I won't be continuing video. Just as you saw, if it doesn't go, use heat the screw up. I know it messes with the metal, but still, that's the only way I know how to do that. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, thanks for visiting. Did good things today. Learned a bit about how body is held on. Remove the inside, remove the steering rack that I'm really happy about. Still have the power steering unit, but that can wait. Main thing, we got our steering rack out so we can mount it in the new one, new body, and yeah, and use it. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for leaving likes. Hope this taught someone something new. I sure learn a lot of stuff new every episode. Because yeah, I'm by no means any mechanic or anything. I'm basically sitting in the office all day, so this is new for me. Everything is new for me. Thanks for stopping by and guess see you in the next episode. Bye!